Menteri Bidikni Yakatan Transport Sokra Jala ba Dasakhiatbha Lamare loong ba katanat kanyakran ba Menteri rang ba Jala konrat ke sangma ban pyntreikam biang yak ot bat event number kajing dheng kali palat handong ba Shillong blakta yak lait kawan kipat ba Dasakhiat Lamare uloong ba Sokra Jala klasim yak sinjam ban pinduna yak jing dheng kali dak ba penkerya yak pyntreikam kibahe sha new Shillong township dak ba banrap kajing khamnya ki jaka handong ba Shillong kadai gada wa khongsan ba kasarga kamla basna ki jingkieng ekjat bat ki skywalk.
Yes, we were thinking about it, and we'll be holding meetings again, I think, after our session. Maybe next week by Monday or Tuesday with the Honorable Chief Minister to review it. And if at all it's feasible, then we have no choice but to implement it again, just to control the traffic. Yeah.
Okay. It's a long-term solution.
It is long-term solution. We haven't finalized anything, but we are still working on various strategies that we could implement. But as of now, there's nothing as such which is finalized in the long term. In Shillong City right now is the space. We don't have space. There were concerns and suggestions given, like the flyovers, and then, like you said, skywalk, and then to do all this we need a lot of space. So Shillong is too congested now for all this. Another solution that we are thinking about is to expand the city. And expanding the city, I mean, we have already implemented many things. Like, for example, there are many offices now which we are trying to move to New Shillong. But then we do have constraints. Yes, there are constraints, and then there are various problems that we are facing to do that, to go ahead with it. And then we are looking forward, and we are expecting, if not this year, if not next year, maybe in this coming years, we'll be able to do something about expanding the city. Because congestion, space, that is the biggest problem in Shillong City. Yeah.